Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will work on this register component. Okay. So let here we have to do that. So the first thing here you have to go inside your projects. It is a components.no. Then let me go to the inside template and you have to copy in this file name registration dialogs. Then go inside now and then create here the new file. Then .js files. Then you have to copy all this code and paste inside this one. Okay, so then what we have to do here, just here I want to, here whenever you just click on this reservation button, then for now I want to just here display the models. Okay, just for now, then later on we will implement the complete feature for reservation, or you can say that it's dynamic parts. But for now I have decided to just create this component. Just whenever you just click on this reservation, then you will see here the reservation models. So let's do that. Okay, so let me here we have to explain some code. Basically this is the here dialog title, dialog content text, dialog action. Okay, so you can easily understand here if we have to visit UI dialogs. Okay, so you can easily understand from here using this one. Here dialog inform user about task and contain critical informations. Action decision are multiple tasks. Okay, so you will see like this is your reservation button. Simply here you will see reservation button. Okay, it is similar to this one. It just I want to, whenever you just click on this button, then here I want to open a dialog. So let me here we have to click here. Okay, so it is still loading. So wait here. So we have to just implement the similar feature, like whenever you just click on this button. Okay, and then we will here open the models. So let me here click. Then you will see. Okay, like this type of model, I want to just display here. So the thing here, let me. Okay, you know that here we have to already copy it in the code. Then just we need this props data from your Node.js component. Basically we will import this component, okay, inside your Node.js files. So let here we have to import that one. So here import here, import reservations from the reservation dialogs. Okay, then we will render at the bottoms. You can here render this component, and inside it we will pass some values like what, here open, then reservation open here. Remove this here, right, reservation open, then on close here, handle reservation close function, handle reservation close function. Okay, so let's go to the top and define this state variable. Then we will get inside reservation dialog as a props. Okay, so here we have to create that one. Okay, here is state open close reservation dialogs, const reservation open, reservation open, then function set. Okay, set reservation open, it is equal to use state. We will initialize it boolean value, and by default it is hidden, means false. Then let me here we have to close and we'll click. Now at the bottom we have to implement that, basically closing and open your reservations functions. Okay, so handle reservation open functions, open reservation dialogs. So const handle handle reservation handle reservation open. We have to make some spaces. Okay, handle reservation open. Here open reservation dialog, just change its value to true. Set reservation, here we have to make it true, as well as here close the reservation dialog functions. So here we will define the functions. Handle handle reservation close, it is equal to here, make it a function, that is set reservation open false, set reservation, it is boolean values to the false. Okay, so the thing here we have passing these two functions, then I think we are missing something. This is we have net function we have defined here, handle reservation. You need to define inside this one, this button reservations. So that's the you have to click. Okay, you know that here if we have the function means this button here. Okay, so on click, whenever you just click on this reservation button, then handle handle reservation open functions, just you need to call here, as well as in the smaller screen copy it. Then this is your button in the small screen, copy this one, paste it here. Then let me, okay, now here we successfully defined. Let me go to the reservation dialogs, and then inside it here we have to implement your logics. So what we will get it here. Here no need of submit. Later on we will whenever we will make this component a dynamic, basically we will add data. Whenever user fill this detail in this form, then we will save it. At that time we will create a that function and submit to save your data in the database. Okay, so at that time we will make it dynamics. For now we will just displaying the components here. Okay, so that's why here, like inside it, open it is equal to open, you know it, inside open what you have the value, you have the boolean value true or false, false or true. Okay, and then on close here render dialog with open and close handlers on close. And then inside it we have to pass in this one, this props, format your document, and then let me check it here, basically it is working or not. Click here, let first we need to refresh, and if you got anything wrong, what item dot maps. Okay, basically I think we have created some values. Let me for now just we will make it statics, this one. No need of this dynamic value, remove this. For the value here you can write in the string one, and then you can write for the keys just one, and then inside it like open one, just for now guys. Then let me check it here. I think at this time, okay guys, you will see here your book tables. Okay, here for now you will nothing to do here, you know that. But later on we will move later on we will make it dynamics. Okay, basically whenever we will fill the detail, then we will submit all this data in the database. Got it? So whenever you click here, then we will show in the height your reservation component. I think at this time you will got the understandings here. Got it? Then later on we will make it dynamics. Got it? So in the next lecture, guys, we have decided to go here. Okay, in this component we will create the what we will create the register page. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.